Low-maintenance crops farming. Looking to start farming without spending hours every day in the field? Low-maintenance crops are your best option. These crops require minimal care, less water, and fewer inputs, perfect for beginners or busy growers. First up, sweet potatoes. They grow well in poor soil, need little watering, and are highly resistant to pests. Just plant and wait, harvest in about 90 to 120 days. Next, beans. Whether pole or bush beans, they grow fast, improve soil fertility, and need minimal fertilizer. Just provide a bit of support and sunlight. Third, garlic. Plant in the fall, and it takes care of itself through winter. Hardly any weeding or watering required, harvest in late spring or early summer. Radishes are another great option. They mature in just 3 to 4 weeks and don't need much space or attention. Okra is heat-tolerant, pest-resistant, and produces continuously through summer. Just pick the pods regularly. Other great choices include spinach, zucchini, and mustard greens, all fast-growing and hardy with minimal input. To succeed with low-maintenance crops, focus on mulching to retain moisture and reduce weeds, composting for natural nutrition, drip irrigation or rainwater collection to reduce watering efforts. Low maintenance doesn't mean low reward. With smart planning, these crops can give you a steady harvest with minimal work.